Certainly, when it comes to kids' fashion products, it's important to consider comfort, functionality, and style. Here's a list of essential kids' fashion products. Tops. 1. T-shirts and tops in various colors and patterns. 2. Long sleeve shirts for colder weather. 3. Button-up shirts for dressier occasions. Bottoms. 1. Jeans, leggings, or pants for everyday wear. 2. Shorts for warmer months. 3. Skirts or dresses for girls. 4. Comfortable and adjustable waistbands for younger kids. Outerwear. 1. Lightweight jackets or hoodies for transitional weather. 2. Warm coats for colder seasons. 3. Raincoats or waterproof jackets. Footwear. 1. Comfortable sneakers or athletic shoes for active play. 2. Casual shoes like slip-ons or sandals. 3. Dress shoes for special occasions. 4. Weather-appropriate boots. Accessories. 1. Hats or caps for sun protection. 2. Sunglasses for eye protection. 3. Scarves, gloves, and mittens for colder weather. 4. Hair accessories for girls. 5. Belts for older kids. Sleepwear. 1. Pajama sets or sleep shirts. 2. Onesies for infants. 3. Comfortable and breathable fabrics. Swimwear. 1. Swimsuits for beach or pool outings. 2. Rash guards for sun protection. Undergarments. 1. Underwear and undershirts made from soft, breathable materials. 2. Socks in various styles, ankle, crew, etc. Dress-up clothes. 1. Costumes for imaginative play. 2. Special occasion outfits, for example, dresses, suits, for parties and events. Activewear. 1. Athletic wear like tracksuits or yoga pants for sports and physical activities. School uniforms. 1. If required, items like polo shirts, skirts, and dress pants. Baby essentials. 1. Onesies, baby rompers, and soft, comfortable clothing for infants. 2. Bibs and burp cloths. Adaptive clothing. 1. Clothing designed for children with disabilities or special needs. Organic and eco-friendly options. 1. Clothing made from organic materials or sustainable fabrics. Seasonal accessories. 1. Costumes for Halloween or themed parties. 2. Holiday-themed clothing for festive occasions. When selecting kids' fashion products, prioritize comfort, safety, and the child's preferences. Keep in mind that kids grow quickly, so choosing durable and adjustable items can help extend their usability.